Everyone, today we are going to see how we will create a REST API using Node.js and Express.js. So uh, basically we need to install Express.js before we are uh, moving forward. So I'm going to take one of my folders here. The initial thing that we need is to go to the workspace. So I have some workspace here. I'm just checking what are the programs I here. So I have one Node.js folder. So I'm going to select that and I am going to check I have one app.js. So what the initial thing is, I need to install Express.js. That's the one that I need to do initially. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one here, Express generator. So it's installed globally. So I use global, yeah, flag, so it's installed globally. then then what I am going to do is, so we only install Express generator, so right now I am going to install Express itself. So I need to copy that one. I need to run that command, so I'm going to run that npm install express generator ready. Right now Express is also ready. So new patch version of npm available. So npm, so I'm going to update that also. Probably I will update later. So the first thing that I need to do is, first thing that I need to do is I need to create a new file. So I'm should I nano yes plus rest yes press, okay, and I can make it as a JSON. So it's asking for my password and I am providing that. Right now I am in that folder right now, so I can copy some of the things. So I am using, okay, I have listen console. So after this one, what I am going to do is I need to add the URL pattern and also the Rust JSON thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm copying that also. Right now I modified this one, and right now I can run my application Node Express. So server running on port 300. So if I am going to my port 300, we can see what is going to happen on there. So let's okay, port 300, that's our port, localhost 3, not 300, 3000. So cannot get, so something weird happened. So what I had here, there is one URL, yeah. So we can see that we copy something and that's a JSON and we got the result. So Express.js and Node.js, the advantage of using Node.js and Express.js for small application, it's very useful. It's very easy to start compared to other application. So that's one of the advantage. And the other advantage probably we can mention like uh, the scalability or uh, its performance with the NoSQL database. That also a concern when we are selecting particular technology. So here I got some exception. I tried to change something. That's why it's happened. So I can do like this. I mean, Control C. I can cancel. I can change whatever I need, and I can run my application also. So this is very useful if you are using Express. Express has so many advantage, but no itself not providing that much application capabilities. So Express is providing additional capabilities for our application. So it's very useful in that scenario. So that's all for this video. Probably I will share something on next video. So right now it's again start the same way. I mean, I tried to change something in the programming with the JSON, but it is not going to work out. So I revert back that changes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.